So what does bad data cost us? We talked about some of the effects, but what are the actual costs? So these are statistics. They're all over the internet. The respected researchers have said, and they like to predict the gloom and doom, $3 trillion. 40% of objectives fail due to bad data. And I think a lot of these people that are researchers use this to promote their research, but we all know it's true. You spend a lot of time dealing with bad data. Biggest complaint in a law firm, why can't we just get a good, clean, correct, complete list? It doesn't sound that hard. Why can't I pull a list of our energy clients? And you have to tell them, the CRM isn't magic. It doesn't know that someone's a client just because it's been added. Someone's got to tag that. It doesn't know that they're in the energy industry unless you buy a data subscription or you have your data stewards add that information and tag that. That's not how it works. And, this is just not part of the explanation process, but they get frustrated because it seems so easy, but really there's a lot going on here. And again, one of the other things super important in the last 5 years or so is data privacy regulations. If you don't comply with GDPR, there are significant penalties. Now, I get that law was primarily aimed at large software companies and other people, who are dealing with spamming organizations and individuals. But the law firms have taken this really seriously, and it's a really big deal. So now we've got to be able to keep up with not just who do we know, but who's where. A company may be somewhere, and the employees may be all over the place. And so how do we make sure that we're not running afoul of global privacy regulations? Even in the U.S., there are a couple now and more to come. So that's a new implication of bad data.